Still working on the final assembly. We're going to attach the tunnel slide to the main platform, so I'm going to place the tunnel slide in this assembly. And the first thing that I'm going to do is mate this to the main platform, so constrain. And I'm going to zoom in. We want to mate this face to this face on the main platform and hit apply. Now it's possible that like when you put, see how that's it's mated, but it's a little crooked. Yours might be upside down, so you just need to, I'm actually going to pull mine away from the, whoa. Pulling mine away from the main platform. It is still mated to that, but now I'm going to mate the bottom of this, so the bottom edge to the bottom edge of the main platform, and hit apply. So now it's stuck there, and then the only thing I need to do is flush the side of the tunnel slide to the side of the main platform and offset it by 18. So I type 18 right there, it puts it in the center just like we did with the monkey bar assembly. So I'm going to hit apply, close it. Now when I hit home, I should be able to shake this around and nothing moves. And then hit save.